in this fifth set. 5 attack points each for these two teams. 1 block point each. Pareho-pareho.
Here's Alarcos serve. Wally. Taiwan pounds it hard.
Whew. My God. Ngayon kasi pinag-iisipan mo na lahat ng offense mo. Hindi na basta-basta opensa lang.
Shakey's for fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Taiwan.
And Michelle Carolino.
She was out of position.
Yes, poor first ball coming from her.
And Taiwan just sent it to that open spot. Resending it to Carolino. Tight set. Block. Alive. Carolino tosses it over. Chance to get loaded. Benting. Down goes.
Poor coverage on with the Philippine Army. Walang katao-tao dun sa likod na block.
10-8. Salak. Dakis. Wally keeping it in play. Benting. Ayan, Carolino. Salak. Dakis. Soft stop.
Chance for the Philippine Army.
Dakis. Still in play.
And Coach Roger Limit. And you can see Coach Roger.
When was the last time this place rocked? This is just rocking to the rafters.
Huwag kang matras doon. Dito ka matras. Para yung blocker pumunta dito sa kaliwa. Kasi po yung blocker papunta na doon. Laser. Dito ka matras, wag doon. Ang receive natin, receive. Zone tayo, receive natin zone 2. Zone 2 ang kaya zone 3. Hatangin natin yung block. Laser, single block ha.
Roger Correa with a bone to pick with the officials actually. You can hear his voice actually. It's an issue about the player getting the ball under the net, I think. Yeah? Am I right, Mosey?
Yes, yung hindi nasalak. Parang sort of interference kasi yun eh. Second goal pa lang ng Sandogo sa ilalim ng net. Sinubukan niya parang hinok niya. Sinusubukan niya sa net. So galit na galit si Coach Roger. The no call was made because of that no call.
Taiwan. This is like the last 2 rounds of a 12-rounder. Benting. Out. It is now 9-11. Rachel Ann Dakis will serve.
Rachel Ann Dakis to serve. San Sebastian. Sandogo up by 2 in this fifth set.
In play. Close. Tight set. Roses. Salak. Carolino. It's in play. Mayet got to it. Michelle. Every play. Fought for Benting. Rejected.
Ang chance ball, ang play natin, hindi nang gagaling sa digpas. Makikita nyo yung dating ng bola eh. Nakuha ni Jeng ng maayos. Kung pinasyon ka agad. Ha? Kung pinasyon ka agad. Hindi yung tatakbo ka dun sa dulo. Hindi wala na tayong play. Tatakbo dito sa open. Tapos tapos ang set. Huwag ka Kasi huwag kang magdududa, si Tina nandito. Alam mo yan.
Positive reinforcement coming from Coach Roger to Angela Benting. Sinasabi, huwag kang magdalawang isip. Sige lang, kahit na si Tina Salak yan in front of you.
May moments kasi si Angela, she doubts herself.
Yes. Ayun, mababa yung pagkakuha niya ng bola.
Ah.
So definitely, mabablock ni Tina Salak yan. But, you know, she can just do it off the block.
Boy, Rachel Andak is just sunk to the bench on the other side of sheer fatigue, tension. Oh, look at that! You're right, Mosey. These are players who have been on championship teams, and it feels like championship night actually here. And this, as many of the newspapers said, could be a preview of the championship actually.
That's right. And ang maganda rito, pareho na silang pagod, pareho trying to outsmart each other. And, you know, they come up with plays na they think na dapat score kagad.
Wag na patagalin
Oh,
no?
hindi na pwede. And Zeng Boli with a cut shot.
That's a big point there.
Yes, look at that. Double whammy eh. Tumama ka na dun sa blocker, pumasok pa yung bola.
13-10. She who blinks fails. Look at the way Joy Benito is playing. We have not seen her all pumped up in a long, long time.
That's right, and she is the spark plug of the Sandogo team. Sandogo Sandals from the fourth set. Ang ganda ng nilaro ni Joy Benito.
Set point or match point is over. It is over. And Sandogo Cotibasan wins. And the Army, what a gallant fight. In the fine tradition of the Philippine Army, just give it all they had. Oh, but what a game, and what a day of volleyball for us, Mosey. Here's our shaking play. When we return, we're going to present to you our best player of the game in just a moment.